Hello students, there is a situation that all of us would have definitely undergone, including me. Now you have an examination in next month. Through whole the month you study, you learn, you see textbooks, you see videos, you also try to listen few lectures and then you go to examination hall. There you will feel few things that we all would have definitely felt. First thing that you will feel that at some questions you will feel like you are stuck. At some question you will feel like you are not able to answer. At some questions you feel you are not confident to approach the problem. Okay, this we all would have definitely experienced in your life. But now what is the wrong in this technique? Okay, the technique is we all have learnt, we have understood, we feel we have understood, and we have gone to examination, but still we fail in examination. Fail in that the sense we won't feel very comfortable about the results that we got, about whatever we have written we don't feel comfortable. Okay, so this is the experience that we all have definitely. We feel this is the right method that we have studied. Okay, we have learnt, we saw the videos, saw the lectures, heard to the lectures and went to the examination, and we feel this is the best method that we can do, and then what happens in the examination is something else. So now, is this the real technique to study? If you ask me, I will say this is the wrong technique to study. So now let us go into the video to see what is the right technique to study, the scientific method to study. Okay, so before that, kindly subscribe to the channel, like and share. So now, in this case, what is the right technique? Till now we are just doing one technique rightly, that is learning. Still we have missed two techniques in the right method of learning. What are the two techniques? First step is of course learning. Okay, for the learning we have different things, different methods to learn anything. First thing is we have to see through the textbook. Reading the textbook is very importantly when you come into the higher classes. We have to mind map all the concepts that are there in the textbook. For example, if you are just taking a concept on first PU mathematics sets, you need to know all the things that are there in textbook, all the varieties of problem that are there in textbook. So you have to mind map and know that what are the things that are already there in the textbook. Number two, you have to listen to the lectures. Whether the lectures are boring or lectures are good or interesting, whatever it is, you have to listen to the lectures, which is very important. And third thing to learn is of course the videos. There are n numbers of videos in the YouTube where you can watch them and try to learn many concepts. So these things we have definitely already done. So what is the next thing that we have to do? The next thing is understanding. You may all feel, so we have seen videos, we have heard the lectures, learned the textbook, so then we have understood, sir. I would say, what is the check for your understanding? There should be some check for your understanding, right? And what is that real check? And that is the next step in real technique to study something, that is discussion. So now, what is this discussion? Now, most of the time we learn, and I told you the correct check for your understanding is discussion. How shall we go about it? There are three things that you need to follow. The first thing is, just imagine that you are a teacher. Take a whiteboard, purchase a whiteboard or a blackboard at your home, okay, and try to just repeat whatever you have learnt. Just feel yourself as a teacher and go ahead and feel that there are hundreds of students out there in your room and start discussing whatever you have learnt. Just give a lecture on whatever you learnt. This is the one thing that you can do. If you feel you can't do this, okay, there's one important advantage by doing this. Okay, you will feel more and more confident about yourself, and your language of speaking will definitely improve. Okay, now if you don't feel this is the right method, there's one more method that you can do. That is definitely, you can just imagine this mask as your friend, okay, and start talking to your mask. Okay, now there is a concept of empty set. I'll just talk to the empty set. I'll just think is my friend, the mask is my friend, and I'll talk about empty set to this mask. Okay, so now I am exchanging something to this mask. Okay, this is the one thing. There's the next thing that can do. What is the next thing? And next thing is the right thing and a better thing that you all can do. That is by discussing the concept with your friends. Yes, now it is very easily possible. Once the college starts, you can go and start discussing with your friend whenever is possible. Okay, always you can't do that because most of your friends would start telling that you are a nerd, always studying. Okay, so but you can do it during exam times, of course during test times, during internal times, or else whenever it is possible you can definitely discuss the concept with your friends. Or else now we have easy access to Google Meet, Zoom Meet, where you can definitely the like minds of your friends who are like minds like you. Okay, you all can come up, okay, and you now after learning something, go on making them understand. Okay, use simple languages and try to make them understand. Okay, then while you are talking to your friends, while you are discussing the concept that you learned to your friends, you would definitely feel confident at some point and not confident at few points. Okay, this is possible because there are some places where we would have definitely not given proper attention, so that we have not understood the concept properly. So there you can definitely know the places where you lack understanding. What you can do later, of course there are your friends, they are not going to judge you. You'll come back to home again, you'll come back to your place again, you'll again brush up those things where you did not feel confident, where you felt you need more understanding of the concept. This can definitely be done. Okay, by this method there is one more advantage. You will start again learning to speak, interact with your friends, and also it is a great way of sharing the knowledge, right? And also you can just divide 2-3 concepts among your friend. Okay, you can just divide 2 chapters, one chapter you and one more chapter your friend, so that one chapter you will explain to her and one more chapter he or she will explain to you. By this method both of you are sharing knowledge and also sharing the concepts. By this this is the right method, and you will get the check on your understanding. Okay, later, okay, again come back wherever you felt you are not confident, read that, study that again, listen to the lecture series, listen to the videos, study the reference book, go to the library, and do not leave up to you understand, and come back to your friend again and explain the same concept if it is possible. Or else I already told you can just feel this mask is your friend and talk to your mask or any other thing at your home, or also you can feel yourself as a lecturer or a teacher and just start using the board and talk there. Okay, this is the right method of learning. So what are the techniques that you should learn here? The first method is learn, the second one is discuss, and learn and discuss. Okay, there is a bridge between this both, and that bridge is understanding. Okay, so while you discuss, you will definitely know where the points that you were lacking in your understanding. By doing this method, okay, I would definitely say this is the right way and the scientific way of studying something. Okay, so this will help you to solve any of the problem in examination more than marks. Okay, this we have many competitive exam right now, CET, JEE, NEET, and examination, board examination, university examination. For all this, most of the time they check our understanding, they check problem. There are problems where you have to put your mind and understand. Okay, for all this definitely this method, the right way of technique, would definitely help you. Okay, so this has to be done during the time of examination or through the course of your in your semester. Okay, in your semester beginning, it should not be done the end of the semester. Tomorrow you have examination, this definitely can't be done the end of the examination. This you have to follow, you have to make habit of this method slowly. If at all now, slowly make habit of these things. Okay, this will definitely help you, and this is the right way of studying. I hope this video has helped you. As a teacher, I have tried to convey so many things to you. So keep tuned to our channel. We would bring many videos of different. Still, there are many techniques that we can need to follow. There are other techniques for solving MCQ, to solve board exams. So we will come up with videos coming soon.